Hello and welcome to your favorite channel. As promised in the last video on adjective, here I am with new video on types of adjectives. As we have seen, the adjectives are describing words that describe various qualities or properties of nouns or pronouns, and these are different types of adjectives which we are going to see in the coming part of the video along with examples. First one is qualitative adjectives. Qualitative adjectives are most common type of adjectives, and they provide information and attribute to the noun or pronoun being described. They are also called attributive adjectives or descriptive adjectives. The examples are: we visited beautiful places in Kashmir. A large iceberg was dislodged into the flow of water. The young cricketers are very confident. All yellow metals are not gold. Next one is quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjectives provide information about the quantity of the nouns or pronouns. This type of adjective answer the question how much and how many. The examples are: they have 2 children. Novak Djokovic won 3 tournaments in a row. I am 20 years old. Next one is proper adjective. When proper nouns modify or describe other nouns or pronouns, they become proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are usually capitalized, just like proper nouns. And these type of adjectives help us to summarize a concept in just a single word. For example, goods manufactured in China. We can write Chinese goods. So examples are: Chinese goods are cheap but not durable. American technology is far advanced. Japanese people are hardworking. The next type of adjectives are demonstrative adjectives. A demonstrative adjective directly refers to something or someone. It always comes before the noun or pronoun it modifies. So again, these are similar to demonstrative pronouns. However, a demonstrative pronoun are not followed by noun or pronoun. Examples of demonstrative adjectives are words such as this, that, these, those. This car is mine. These flowers are beautiful. That building is taller than any other in the city. Next one is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjective indicates possession or ownership. Some of the most used common adjectives are my, his, her, our, their, your. Again, possessive adjectives always come before the noun or pronoun, whereas a possessive pronoun comes alone. Examples are: my car is costlier than yours. His father is a government servant. Our responsibility is to help people in need. Interrogative adjectives. An interrogative adjective asks a question. It must be followed by a noun or pronoun. The interrogative adjectives are which, what, whose, and the sentences with interrogative adjectives are: which option sounds best to you? Whose shoes are these? When the bell rang. Next type of adjectives are indefinite adjectives. An indefinite adjective describe or modify a noun unspecifically. It provides indefinite or non-specific information about the noun. Common indefinite adjectives are few, many, much, most, all, any, each, every, either, nobody, several, some, etc. The examples are: each student will have to submit homework tomorrow. Grandfather has been retired for many years. Do you have any information about John? Next type of adjectives are compound or adjectives. When compound nouns or combined words modify other noun, they become a compound adjective. They are often separated by a hyphen or joined together by a quotation mark. So here are some examples which will further clarify the compound adjectives. I have an old age car. I saw a 6 feet long snake. Jason was part-time employee. She gave me a "I will kill you" expression. My mother loves homemade bread. The next type of adjectives are coordinate adjectives. Coordinate adjectives are separated with commas or the word "and". They appear one after another to modify the same noun. To determine whether a pair or group of adjectives is coordinate, just insert the word "and" between them. If "and" works, then the adjectives are coordinate and need to be separated with a comma. The examples are: the sign had big, bold, and bright letters. So there are 3 words describing the letters. Yesterday was a bright sunny day. It was a long and dark night. Next type of adjectives are cumulative adjectives. Cumulative adjectives are multiple words that build on one another to create a meaning. However, they must maintain a particular order to make sense. They can't be reversed and won't make any sense if you use "and" between them. So the examples are: the prize-winning hunting dog, often seen flushing out birds. So here there are 2 adjectives, prize-winning and hunting, which describe about the dog. However, the sequence must be maintained and we cannot write "and" between them because prize-winning describes about hunting dog. Similarly, it was a complicated interview question. So here complicated describe about interview question. Therefore, we cannot write "and" between complicated and interview, and therefore these are the cumulative adjectives. Next example is: they bought a bright warehouse apartment. So these were types of adjectives. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Please comment if you would like to have more videos on any particular topic. Thank you.